sit, stay, come. These are the basic commands that every dog owner needs. Stay with us to the end to learn the basic fundamentals for dog training. Hello everyone, and welcome to PetGalaxy. Today we start our exciting journey into the fundamentals of dog training. Whether you're a newbie pet owner or an experienced handler looking to polish your skills, this series will provide you with insightful techniques to enhance your relationship with your dog, ensuring a happier, well-behaved companion. Part 1: Benefits of Dog Training. Training your dog has numerous benefits. It enhances safety, improves behavior, and strengthens the bond between you and your pet. Well-trained dogs are easier to manage, more sociable, and generally more enjoyable to be around. Training also provides mental stimulation for your dog, keeping them engaged and happy. Understanding these benefits can motivate you to dedicate time and effort into training, reaping rewards that extend well beyond basic obedience. Part 2: Understanding and using markers. Let's delve into the concept of markers. Markers are cues, a word or a sound, that tell your dog exactly when they've done something correctly. It's like saying good job at the perfect moment. Throughout this video, we'll use yes as our marker. The right use of markers not only accelerates learning but also makes the training process enjoyable for you and your dog by clearly communicating approval. Imagine teaching a dog to sit. As the dog sits, the trainer says yes, and immediately rewards the dog with a treat. This immediate marker reward sequence is vital for helping your dog connect their actions with positive results, thereby speeding up their learning curve. Part 3: Gaining your dog's attention. A fundamental aspect of training is capturing and maintaining your dog's attention. Begin in a quiet setting to minimize distractions. Using a leash can help manage their focus. Implementing regular, short sessions will gradually enhance your dog's ability to concentrate, turning training into a fun and engaging activity. Engaging your dog. Engagement techniques are crucial for maintaining your dog's interest. For instance, holding treats and waiting for your dog to make eye contact before rewarding them teaches focus. Such exercises train your dog to concentrate on you, even in distracting environments. Part 4: Introducing basic commands. With your dog's attention, you can start teaching basic commands. Demonstrating commands like sit, stay, and come with clear, consistent instructions is essential. Next we'll show how to guide a dog into position using treats, followed by immediate praise and reward. Let's break down the sit, stay and come commands using a step-by-step approach. For sit, hold a treat close to your dog's nose to capture their attention. Slowly move the treat upward and slightly back over the dog's head. As their head follows the treat, their rear should naturally lower. The moment their rear touches the ground, say yes, and give the treat. Repeat several times until your dog sits consistently when you hold the treat above them. For stay, ask your dog to sit. Open your palm in front of you, and firmly say stay. Take a step back. If your dog stays, step back towards them, say yes, and reward them. Gradually increase the number of steps and time before returning to reward them. If your dog moves, return to the previous step where they succeeded. Practice in various locations with different levels of distractions to solidify the command. For come. Teaching your dog to come when called is a vital command for their safety and your peace of mind. Here's how to teach it effectively. Start in a quiet area without distractions. Have your dog sit at a short distance from you. Hold a treat in your hand and in a clear, enthusiastic tone, say your dog's name attached with come. As your dog comes towards you, show visible excitement to encourage their movement. When they arrive, immediately say yes, give them the treat, and show lots of praise. Gradually increase the distance from which you call them, and practice in different settings and with mild distractions. If your dog seems hesitant or distracted, decrease the distance and slowly build up their confidence again. Part 5: Increasing difficulty gradually. Once your dog masters commands in a controlled environment, introduce new challenges by training in more distracting settings. This method helps reinforce their obedience and prepares them for real-world situations, enhancing their adaptability and focus. Part 6. Advancing Training Techniques. Moving to advanced training techniques, such as heel or emergency recalls, begins in familiar settings and progresses to more challenging environments. Consistent practice and positive reinforcement are crucial for success in these more complex commands. Part 7. Common Challenges in Dog Training. Training your dog is a rewarding journey, but like any worthwhile endeavor, it comes with its share of challenges. Every dog is an individual, and what works for one may not work for another. Here, we'll explore some typical hurdles you might face and how to overcome them effectively, ensuring a smooth training process for both you and your dog. Understanding your dog's behavior. It's essential to understand why your dog might be behaving in a certain way. Are they pulling on the leash because they're excited or because they're anxious? Do they ignore commands because they don't understand them, or are they distracted by the environment? Understanding the root cause of behaviors is crucial in addressing them effectively. Some dogs may appear stubborn, often refusing to follow commands they know. This can be due to a variety of reasons, such as insufficient motivation or unclear communication. To overcome this, make sure you're clear and consistent with your commands. Increase the value of your rewards, making sure the treats, praise, or playtime are irresistible and appropriate for the action you're asking for. Consistency is key. Don't give in to bad behavior, as it teaches your dog that stubbornness pays off. A common challenge is training a dog in a distracting environment. Dogs naturally have shorter attention spans and can be very curious about their surroundings. Start training in a quiet, controlled setting and gradually introduce more distractions. Use a high-value reward to capture and hold your dog's attention in challenging environments. Practice commands in different settings, like parks or busy streets, to help your dog learn to obey commands anywhere. Fear and anxiety can significantly hinder your dog's ability to learn. It's important to recognize signs of fear and anxiety, such as cowering, tucking the tail, or refusal to eat treats. Address these issues gently by creating a positive association with the fearful object or situation. Use treats and praise to slowly desensitize your dog to their fears. Avoid forcing your dog into overwhelming scenarios, as this can exacerbate the problem. Overexcitement can lead to jumping, barking, and uncontrolled behavior. Training calmness starts with rewarding calm behavior. Practice sit and stay commands to manage their excitement. When your dog gets overly excited, take a break and allow them to settle down before continuing the training session. This teaches them that calm behavior leads to more rewards and interactions. Part 8. Encouraging ongoing training. Ongoing training is essential for maintaining and building upon established behaviors. Continue training beyond basic commands, exploring tricks and advanced skills that offer further mental stimulation and enjoyment for your dogs. Are you looking to take your dog's training to the next level? Check out the online course Brain Training for Dogs. This comprehensive program is designed to tackle common behavioral issues and enhance your dog's obedience through engaging and innovative techniques. Whether your dog has issues with barking, chewing, or simply needs to refine their obedience, Brain Training for Dogs offers the guidance you need to transform your dog's behavior. Click the link below to learn more and start your journey towards a more obedient and happy pet today. Thank you for joining us here at PetGalaxy for this insightful dive into dog training basics. Subscribe and stay tuned for more advanced training tips, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes. Happy training!